Right, in this video, I want to show you how to connect a PDF to your email in a link like this that says click here to download now. So let's erase that and show you how to do this. So before, what you do is you don't type in any of the text here. You just insert where you want to include the PDF, and then you want to click, or whatever you're uploading, right? And click on upload, and then go ahead and choose your file. So let's just go to, I don't know, let's see here. Let's just grab this thingy here, and I'll put that in. And what will happen is, in a couple seconds, it will pop up with this insert link box, and there is your PDF attached to it. And then you can change the text that you want to be in the email. I usually say something like, click here to download now. Oops, click here to, I can type download now. And then you can also change the target if you want to, just like in a WordPress download or anything like that. Then just press OK. And now you have your PDF included inside the email attached to this link. And that's it. You are done. Hopefully this helps.